Hello everyone, this is my enhancement number 9, and I had some difficulties in this enhancement, but here is the results. Okay, so here I have one alert because I have the same out for these images, and I'm still working on it. Okay, and in one moment you're going to see why they have the same name. So here is my HTML validator, my CSS for large and small view. Yeah, and okay, so here is my vehicle detail view with the primary image here, the thumbnails here, and my description. I have another difficulty here because I just cannot move the thumbnails here in the bottom of the description and details. Okay, so I'm working on it too. But well, you can see that my image here it's not longer than 500, and also my thumbnails are not longer than 2000. They are in the limit. Okay, so now here is my function in uploads model, where I get the thumbnail info based on the ID, and only I only want the images path that contains the TM letters in the path, and this is to select just the thumbnails to display it here in this div element. And in my vehicles model, I create another function to just select the primary images. And that's the reason that I have here not like TN, because we want all the paths that are not thumbnails, or in other words, that don't contain the TN letters in the path. So both functions are here in my controller: get in vehicle info and get thumbnail info. The return value of the return, I save it in these variables, and then I pass these variables to the vehicle info display function that is here in my functions file. And you can see here both variables, and I use that arrays to make my view, this view. Okay, so now here is my my image tables, my image table. You can see here, for example, So you can see my Jeep Wrangler and my Jeep Wrangler thumbnail. That is this and this. And these two. And my Jeep Wrangler white is here. But if you go to the uploads, here is my normal image and my thumbnail. Okay, so you can see here the thumbnail, just the thumbnail of this, and when you hover in the images you can see that it's zoom in. Okay, and so yeah, I think it's all. I think, and yeah, I show the skill. The skill. Yeah. So let me check. All the images, large and thumbnails. Navigating to one vehicle detail view that contains additional feedback. Okay. So yeah, I have a hard time this week. So yeah, this is my enhancement, and thank you for your attention, and see you next week, I hope. Bye.